this video we're having a quick look and a first look at the new premium sand scoop from Nokta Makro. They've made many things over the years and they've decided now to venture out into sand scoops. Now this is the 3-in-1 premium pack which you can get from LP, and in this it gives you the scoop, it gives you a little side handle, and it also gives you the two-piece main handle, the main rod, saves you having to get a broom or anything like that, and then that break. So with this three-piece kit, it's $104.95 if you were to buy it all together on LP. If you were to get this side handle on its own, it's going to be $14.95, and if you want just the scoop and then add your own handle to it, it's $94.95. But as I say, this is the 3-in-1 kit, and let's have a look at what we've got inside. So there we go. That's the side handle that sticks out of the front of the scoop, I believe. The scoop itself. Got some extra parts in there as well, which I'll get in a second. And there's the scoop. That's quite nice, isn't it? 11mm laser cut holes. It's got a sharpened front edge, just there. Nice thick steel. Not too bad, is it? Oh, and it comes with a little spanner, look. I would imagine that that would attach to there, or is it the other way around, like that, so that you can lift it out and shake it as you do. The extendable handle as well. I'll tell you what, why don't we put it together? Just looking at the welds on this, this is nice. I've been through some scoops. I've had a Ceto scoop, managed to destroy that, and a cheap scoop from China. And that didn't last 5 minutes either. But this is solid, this is nice. Right, let's put it together. Let's see what it looks like. Right, so that's the first configuration that you could have. This is with the little side handle. Now if you put it onto the scoop this way round, this would be ideal for when you're out and about with the pulse dive, doing a bit of scuba detecting. Then you'll be able to shovel up whatever it is you find with it being handheld like that. Nice and sturdy, gone into place nice. You can see you've got lovely big thumb screws there. Make it ideal for taking it apart, putting it back together if you wanted to try a different configuration. So yeah, that's one way of doing it if you're out scuba detecting. Just before I convert this into the next stage with the longer poles, I want to point out that the extra holes on the side there, so if you are scuba detecting with it with a pulse dive, you don't have to have it in that configuration. You can change the handle around and have it at whatever angle you wish. Right, so same with the scoop when you've got it in scuba diving sort of like mode, when you've got that smaller handle on. You can also change the position for when you're putting on the larger pole. You can have it more upright, leaning back as you can see, or leaning right back. I know a lot of scoops out there have it in a set angle and you can't change that angle, it's all welded into place. But with this, as you can see, you can change the angle that you have it. Right, so let's set that up and let's put the larger pole on. Just a quick top tip for you. Before you add this bracket to the scoop, attach your handle to it first, or else getting to those nuts around the back is a little tricky. So bolt all this together first, then attach it to the scoop. Bit easier that way. So we've got the main pole on, and as you can see at the back there, the little pins just slot through the holes in the back of the bracket. So all we need to do now is select the angle that we want it at. Let's have a look. I think I want it leaned quite far back. So now we just pop our bolt through. Big chunky thumb screw nut on the back. Tighten that up. Before I take it down the beach, I will give it a quick tighten all the way around. Make sure that we're good to go. And there you have it. And you've got your extendable handle. Just pops on the back. Take it apart for when you're travelling. So that's it then, all put together, nice and tight, nice and solid, with the extra handle on. Now if you want to see how it gets on the beach, well, as I say, I have been known to destroy a couple of scoots, so if you want to see how this one fares, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and then when I'm out next, which should be at some point this week, I'll take this with me and we'll run it through its paces. Until then, if you are heading out, good luck, happy hunting. As I say, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Ta-ra.